The most promising areas of research are those where we have a better understanding of exactly how a cancer cell grows and divides and survives. The greatest developments that we've made in cancer in the last 50 years have been specifically in those cases. And I'll pick on one outside of lung cancer, chronic myelogenous leukemia. We knew there was a specific genetic defect. We then were able to find the specific protein that's activated by that genetic defect, find a drug that can turn off the effects of that protein that were triggered by the damaged gene and lead to an unbelievable result. I just walked out of a lecture about chronic myelogenous leukemia here at the NCCN meeting. And there they were showing the survival curves for people with this illness. And they were all 90 and 100% people living 5 years. And more importantly, people had been cured with other treatments as well. But that other treatment was a bone marrow transplant, a treatment that was unbelievably difficult, but it can cure. And they replaced it with taking a pill every day. I mean, it's just magic how knowing how to treat a cancer can lead to a very dramatic result for the person with cancer. People get their life back so much quicker, and literally they get their life back. And the reason that happened is because we understood what was behind the growth of that particular cancer. And now we're trying to do the same thing with other more common cancers. In the lung cancer arena, we have the EGFR mutation. We know that if your cancer cells carry this mutation, that you're going to respond to erlotinib. We know that if your cancer then stops responding, we know how that happened, and doctors are working on finding other drugs and strategies to do that. But it really opens up a lot of possibilities. We're trying to do this again with the drug crizotinib in patients that have the EML4 ALK mutation. And we're very confident that this is going to happen. It's happening in other cancers as well. There was a lot of news coverage about a year ago about the BRAF mutation in malignant melanoma. That same kind of story is being told there. If you have the mutation, you can select the drug. The drug is almost sure to lead to benefit to that person. So we have a lot of opportunity now, and I think our best chances for further improvements in care, and we desperately need them, are through biology-based therapies and through a greater understanding of how cancer cells grow and live and survive.